Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be how to download the TeamViewer quick support. So first you're going to open your browser, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, and you're going to go to TeamViewer.com. You can see I've already searched this before. Just hit enter. It'll then take you to TeamViewer's homepage. You can accept all the cookies if you want, doesn't necessarily matter. And you're going to want to go to download up here at the top, not down here, up at the top, navigation, click download. That will then bring you to here where most likely you'll need a Windows, and you just scroll down, close out their promotional ads, and you'll be brought to TeamViewer Quick Support. Click download Quick Support. Wait for that to finish downloading. Depending on your browser, it may be downloading in a different area. Generally, you can access your downloads by going here, or in this case, I'm just going to go right here. That TeamViewer will then start to open. Wait for the pop-up if you have user account control, and just select yes. And give it a moment as it works to get connected, and as soon as it's connected, it'll provide you with an ID and password, which you'll need to provide with the person that is trying to remote into your computer. From there, you're now ready to start using TeamViewer.